Once you've got the car seat out of the box, get the instructions. Have a good look at the instructions on how to fit it properly, because at the end of the day, it's your child in the car seat. You want it as safe as possible. On the back, there is bag right here. So we're going to open up now and see what's inside. In that bag I just opened up is more belt length for the top tethering clip, which is to secure the seat into the car. As I say, make sure you read the instructions very carefully so that your child is safe and secure in the back. Say it's up to 3-year-old. Hope this is helpful.